Hi friends, I am your Dr. Krishna Kumar. I am really happy that you watched my earlier topics. Same time, I received so many suggestions as well as comments. For that, I am really thankful to you. Today I have come up with a new topic, leadership. What is called leadership? Before that, I would like to ask one thing. Are you a leader? If you are a leader, really, you mean it? Have you ever tried for that? I'll tell you. Now, what I observe in all over the world, or if you go to any community or any organization or in a house also, if you are holding a position, you assume that you become a leader and you can lead the complete group. It's wrong. If you are a leader, you have to one among the group. How many colleagues you have to mingle with them. You should understand them. You must realize their feelings. Instead of ordering them, give them suggestions as well as explain the things what exactly you need. Instead of ordering them, explain the things what exactly you need. And be a good listener. If you become a good listener, definitely you will have the attitude to receive the suggestions from your colleagues. So, you have to accept the suggestions, segregate, brainstorming with your colleagues. Then you will become a good leader. Being a good leader, if you lead a people or lead a group, you need not to go back or you need not to see back how many are following you. Once you reach your destiny, all your companions, all your colleagues will be there because you are a good leader. You are not doubting anyone. Delegate your responsibility to the downlines and trust them and make them accountable, make them responsible. To realize their responsibility and accountability, what we have to do? We have to act one among them. We must trust them. Always trust them. Trust your colleagues. Trust your team members. Then definitely you can become a leader. And as I told you, you should be a good listener. And the people may different culture, different attitude. I do accept. They will tell so many things about the situations or the difficulties. Hear it, and don't take any judgment based upon someone's talks or someone's explanation. That's what. If you become one among them, definitely you will have the assessment power to assess the individual. Then you will not go behind the words or criticism by the people. In this world, all the human beings are good, excellent. But we never see their positivity. Always, suppose 100 positive things are there with a person, we never highlight that. We always go behind the negative things. Being a leader, you should not do that. Of course, if someone commits any mistake, don't scold them. Don't scold him or don't shout upon him in public place. Call him in a room, in your private room. Give him a tea or coffee. Appreciate the things whatever he achieved and highlight the positivity of that particular individual. Finally, in the conclusion, as a part of improvement his career, you just highlight or explain what he has committed a mistake. In that situation, he will never feel bad. And he will not commit that mistake further. And if you want to appreciate a person, appreciate publicly. Appreciate it publicly. His moral will come up. Of course, if you are a good leader, you need not to be there at vicinity at all the time. Because on behalf of you, the people will work hard. Or they will have a harmony. Nowadays I am observing, even though they assume that they are leader, sooner they disappear or in his or in their absence, people are relaxing. That means people are not bothered about the accountability or responsibility. Why? Because they have not been taught about that. They have not been explained with that. That is the main problem. So, be a good leader if you have the attitude of accompanying the people and trust the people. If you trust the people, definitely they will give the right feedback to you. They will not make you disappointed. That is the quality of a real leader. Because your companion, you can trust them. If you trust them fully and if you explain them what exactly you need, they will feed you back. You need not worry. For that, there are small, just tips I will tell you. There are 10 tips which we can utilize. Most common word, I, one letter word. Avoid it. And most precious word, we, two letter word. Accept it and use it. And very poisonous word, that is three letter word, ego. Ego. Avoid it. And another one, most precious word, four letter word, love. Value it. And five letter word, if you see, smile. That is, keep it with you always. It doesn't cost anything. And very dangerous six letter word, that is rumor. You just keep separate with them. Don't ever allow. And another one, seven letter word, jealousy. That jealousy should not come in your life at all. And there is a nine letter word, eight letter word, knowledge. That is always acquire it. And nine letter word, success. That will come if you take all these parameters together. Definitely success will come to you. And very precious word, 10 letter word, confidence. Take it. You must have that confidence. Suppose in this 10 series, if I have just mistakenly tell about the weddings, sorry for that one, because I felt so, 6 and 7. So, but this sequentially, if you see, you will have that confidence and you can be a good leader. But one thing always you should remember, you should not be a member of 99 Club. Then, now you might have surprised. What is 99 Club? Yes, of course, I'll tell you what is 99 Club. There was a king. He was equipped with all the things, all the facility he has got. But he has lot many worries, lot many tensions, and he is surveying the things, but he is having all sort of things, what exact, even in his dream, whatever it's coming, it's getting fulfilled. But he was not happy. He was not with peace of mind. One day he just went for a walk and he observed, just seen a servant's room. So he was a curiosity to look into that particular room. So there he has seen his servant and his wife, 5 children. Everybody is enjoying. They have put up the music and enjoying like anything. And after the music, They are having the food and they are laughing. They don't have any worries in their face. Really, he is shocked. He came back and he seek the advice from his advisor. What is this? I have all the things, but still I am worried. But I have seen my servant, low-class servant, where I observe that he is very much happy. Boss, don't worry. I'll make it all right. They will also come in our path. I'll make him to join 99. What does it mean? Okay, let us see what. Tomorrow morning, what he did? A small bag consisting of 99 gold coins. He tied up and kept in front of his door, house door. Morning, the servant got up and suddenly he has seen that a bag, a small bag. When he opened that one, he could see 99 coins. One by one, he counted and he could realize 99 coins. First of all, he got surprised, but he was very much curious. Why? Because nobody will keep 99 coins in the bag. That was his concern. Someone might have kept 100 coins. Either someone might have stolen. So anyhow, I have to make that another one coin. That particular moment onwards, he was behind that one. Not to lose that 99, and instead of that one, he was trying to achieve 100 coins. To achieve that one coin, he lost his patience. He lost his peace of mind. He changed his attitude. Whichever the way he was behaving with his family, totally changed. And there is no laughing, there is no smiles, there is no enjoyment. Always his process or his act was to achieve that one point. So, peace of mind gone, happiness gone. Now you just see. Suddenly, if we get something, we should not lose our individuality and don't be greedy. And whatever we are getting, accept it. But don't change your attitude or individuality. Then, if you change that one, your leadership quality will lose. So I hope you people will never join with 99 club. So, if you are a leader, you can win. And recently, I have gone through one book written by Shiv Khera, You Can Win. It's a very simple way he has written. And if you go through this one, definitely you can get so many ideas. Because winners don't do different things, they do things differently. Winners don't do different things, they do things differently. So, make a difference in your life and be a leader, and definitely I can assure you, you can win. Thank you very much, and I hope you all will become a good leader. So, don't forget to watch Krishna's World and subscribe it. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.